Let me come down.
Follow me! Follow me!
Oh yeah. So this one we're just on.
Follow me! Follow me!
Hawker and Hunter T7.
Follow me!
Hang on there.
Follow me!
This way first.
And so train to. That's cool. First flight 55. Oh, look at what's in there. Now we've got this one to look at. This one's got missiles on it. Look at that. Whoa. This stuff is so awesome. Got a bit of a history going on here.
It's from the United Kingdom, Germany and Italy, and originally named by the multi-role combat aircraft. The prototype Tornado interdicted. What is this? I got an aeroplane. A strike aircraft, IDS, first flew in August 1974. The aircraft has variable geometry wings and is powered by two turbine Union RB1999 Line 34R turbofans with a maximum speed of 1,490 mph and a service ceiling of 5 million feet. 50,000 feet.
Whoa.
Yeah. What's this? I lost one. The air defense variant ADV version of the Tornado was optimized for a long range. Okay, let's go somewhere. I'm not reading all that.
Okay. Did you see how fast it can go?
want to go in the
Whoa, it can go 1,490 miles per hour. You only can do up to 17 miles on a road. That's if you're on the motorway. That is really, really fast. Got your missiles on it as well. Okay. Yeah, I'm using it every time I go on something, love. We're in an airplane here.
Where are we going to ride to? We're going to ride to Mars.
Okay, well,
We'll go tomorrow
we'll
with
see
the
now.
aeroplane.